Security is the #1 concern in crypto right now. And in this video, guys, we will be talking about the reasons why Bybit is actually trusted by millions of traders worldwide. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is the landing page of Bybit. Link to this will be in the description of the video, guys. It has established itself as one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and I myself am using Bybit for all my trading needs, and as well as all the earns and all that. The features and the benefits that I get in Bybit is very astounding, guys, compared to the other centralized exchanges. Now, guys, it is built on a foundation of security, transparency, and innovation. So this platform is actually prioritizing user protection with cold storage solutions and multi-signature withdrawals, which also ensures that the client's funds remain safeguarded at all time. Now, guys, to reinforce trust, Bybit is actually conducting and publishes proof of reserves audits. Now, that one allows anyone to verify its holdings, and that users also benefit from the two-factor authentication, the anti-phishing tools, and a proven track record with 0 major hacks since its inception. And I surely hope that they would be able to keep that going, because, guys, beyond security, Bybit is offering a robust suite of services for all the types of traders. Now, its core trading products also include that spot trading for buying and selling crypto directly, as well as the advanced derivative tradings such as the perpetual contracts, the futures, and the options for those trades. Now, guys, you have all those here. You have the spot, okay? And you also have the futures right here. So I actually use this instead of going to other centralized exchanges, because for me, Bybit is love. I mean, it has been one of my go-to tools, my go-to centralized exchange for all of my trading needs. Our sponsor for today will help you find leads even in those darkest places. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, guys, helping out marketers just like myself. So if you need targeted data that actually converts, Lead Sniper is your best bet. So they have Google Maps Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and they have a lot more tools that are coming out. So go ahead and check them out. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Let's continue. And guys, traders can automate the strategies with Grid, DCA, and future bots, or even explore that copy trading to replicate the professionals. And you will be able to access that up on top where you hover on tools and you have the copy trading right there. So if you click on that, it will take you to this page of the copy trading. And of course, guys, additionally, features like P2P trading, that's what I love. I mean, I am big with trading my cryptos with other peers as well. So you will be able to select, which bank, which e-wallet you would like the funds to go to. Or if you want to buy funds, there's a ton of merchants that are available and just waiting for you to make your purchases or for you to sell your assets. So it's also a fiat gateway and a testnet demo trading that is made accessible to both the beginners and the experts as well. So for investors, guys, you got to listen to this. This is one thing that I love. You have the Bybit Earn. So it provides that flexible savings, the fixed staking, and the dual asset products, while the liquidity mining enables the users to earn rewards through the pool participation. You got to go ahead and check that one out in their website. And guys, those are the ones that I use. So instead of just holding your assets in your wallets, I've made a lot just by investing it in Bybit Earn. Now, guys, expanding beyond trading, Bybit's ecosystem includes a zero-fee NFT marketplace, a Web3 wallet with dApp integration. You got to take note of that one. The Bybit card for everyday crypto spending, and the Bybit Learn is offering educational content and market insights. Really helpful. Now, guys, institutions also benefit from advanced APIs and liquidity solutions. Now, getting started is super simple, guys. New users just sign up via the official link in the description of the video. You would gain access to Bybit's full suite of tools, plus the exclusive access to Bybit Sharks and its free Telegram community. Now, this one, guys, I will put this in the description of the video as well. So with that security first design and that full transparency, Bybit, guys, is one of the safest exchanges to trade on right now. And guys, you got to go ahead and check this one out. Set up your Bybit account securely using the link below, and you will be on that exclusive list to getting that early access to the Alpha Telegram group that could help you to get started super successfully. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.